Hey everybody, Jamie Jenisic, Team North Idaho Home Hunter here in Coeur d'Alene, Keller Williams. Just wanted to throw out a couple of little home health care tips now that the weather's changing. One of the things we inevitably see every year where we live out in the country, a little southeast of town. Somebody's house burns down because it starts with a chimney fire. I mean, back in the day, we used to just open up the damper and let her go, and remember blowing coals outside, you know, and the chimney was cherry red hot. Don't do that. That's not wise. Go call a legitimate chimney person. Have your chimney inspected and keep it cleaned. One of the biggest things that we had when the pipes would freeze in some of the houses we've had in the past, we have a lot of cold north winds. We used to close the vents on the north side of the house because inevitably one of the houses we had in Post Falls, if we didn't close those vents, it would freeze the shower drain up. So be aware of the vents and keep those pipes clean. And another one of the biggest things that I see, and it causes a lot of damage, and in the springtime, mold issues, is if you have water damming up on your roof. A lot of houses around here will have heat tape, putting heat strips in some of your valleys and where the snow and ice congregates. Because if you have a big snowfall and you have a partial thaw and it gets frozen on there and then it thaws a bunch more, we have water intrusion. Don't let it go because it can come back and cost thousands and thousands of dollars to fix the next summer.